Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw a cool wristwatch. This watch will have a cute heart design inside the clock.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a circle. Now, draw another circle outside the first one. Perfect! This will be the watch frame. Now, let's draw the clock hands. Draw 3 clock hands in the center. Amazing! Now draw a big heart in the center of the watch. Wonderful! Now draw small dashed lines around the circle. These will be the clock dial marks. Great work! Now draw a small crown on one side of the watch. This is the button used to adjust the time. Awesome! Now draw the watch straps. Draw one strap on the top and another strap on the bottom. Perfect! Nice job, everyone! Our wristwatch drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Wow! It is looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color our watch. Show your color pens. Ready? Let's color. Pink color.
Wow!
Indigo color. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Peach color. Awesome coloring, everyone! Your wristwatch drawing looks fantastic! Thank you for drawing with Toddlers Art Hub today. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep creating fun drawings. See you in the next fun drawing lesson. Bye-bye, little artists!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.